Hi, today's class will discuss about collection framework. Collection framework. What is collections? What are the collections? First tell me.
Group of variables or yeah, maybe group of variables.
Java.util. Util package has many classes, many interfaces. If you see here, package java.util, right? Package java.util classes contains interfaces and classes. This is called as collections framework. Collections framework is nothing but it has many classes, many interfaces where to achieve the goal of high performance of the applications. Okay. The collection framework was designed. Please write down. The collection framework was designed to meet several goals. One, first point, the framework has to be high performance. Next point, the framework had to allow different types of collections to work in a similar manner and with a high degree of interoperability. Next point, extending and adapting a collection classes are very easy. Next point, algorithms are another important part of the collection mechanism. Algorithms operate on collections and depends on static methods. Within the collection classes. Next point. Algorithm provides a standard means of manipulating collections.
Can you repeat, please?
Algorithm provides a standard means of manipulating collections. Next point. Interesting. Java.util defines Java.util package defines the following interfaces. One is collection is interface, comparator is interface, enumerator is interface, iterator list iterator, list set map dot entry Okay, these are the interfaces available in Java package, main interfaces. Okay. First, we will talk about collections framework, collection interface. Collection by name itself, there is an interface called as collection. If you see here, interface section of the util package of the API, collection, right? Guys, please respond.
Yes.
So these are the interfaces available here. Still, it's not given much here. There is sorted map, sorted set. Please read that is important. Sorted map, sorted set, observer, map.entry. Queue. Okay. First, please write on these interfaces. Very important concept. Interview point of view. Interface collection framework. Very important. Don't miss anything. Collection. Collection is an interface. If you see here, what are the methods available in the collection class? We'll see. Java.util interface, right? What is the this one? Please write down. Public interface collection extends iterable. Please write down that statement. The collection interface is the foundation upon which the collections framework is built. Collections is a framework. Collections is a framework. Collection is an interface. Collection interface has methods. Collections interface has methods to add, to clear, to remove. Okay. First we'll talk about, there is a method called as Boolean method, add method. It adds an object to the invoking collection. It adds an object to invoking the collection and returns true if the object was added to the collection. There is a method called as add all method. The add all method adds all the elements of all the elements of to invoke collection. When returns true if the elements were added, returns false if it is not added. Like this we have some methods. Okay. Then we will move to next concept. List. First we'll talk about list iterator. List interface. List interface. Please take public interface list extends collection. What will happen if class is extending an interface? Suguna?
All the classes as well as methods will be called.
What will happen? My question is, what will happen if a class is extending an interface?
Class cannot extend interface. We need to implement interface.
What will happen if a class implements interface?
We can use all the classes available in the interface.
What is this concept called as?
This concept called as
Yeah, tell me.
in
Anyone can help us?
Inheritance.
Yes. What happened, Sugna? It's very easy, important concept.
yeah. Sorry.
You know the answer, but you're not confident on that, right?
Yeah. I know answer actually.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know that one. That's what I asked you. So what is here? A class can implement interface. An interface can extend an interface, right? An interface can extend interface. We already covered it.
Yes. Yes.
So here list is an interface. It extend collection is a just now we discussed it, right?
Collection is a framework.
Interface.
Interface.
Collections is a framework. Collection is the interface. What is the collection collection interface? Can you tell me quickly? You have to tell this one. Public interface collection extends iterable. That's it. Now tell me. So list interface has properties of collection interface methods also, right, Pavani? Parent interface.
Yeah. It will have.
Yes. That means we are getting all the characteristics from the list. Okay. Now the list interface extends collection and declares the behavior of collection that store a sequence of elements.
And declares the behavior of
Collection.
The list interface extends collection interface and declares the behavior of collection that stores a sequence of elements. Elements can be inserted or accessed by their position in the list. In addition to the methods defined in the collection interface, the list interface defines some of its own methods okay. So but I don't want to talk more methods because I don't have time here. So we'll talk about example wise. Okay. Next point. An array list is a class ArrayList is a class which extends ArrayList is a class ArrayList is a class in Java detail package. ArrayList is a class which extends abstract list and implements list interface, random access interface, clonable interface, serializable interface. We forget to talk about the clonable and serializable interfaces. Not forget, we are supposed to start today, but I committed to start collections, right? I started it. So please remember, someone remember these two concepts, clonable and serializable. Suguna, please take notes on this. Clonable and serializable, please remember me. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
A class, ArrayList is a class which extends abstract list and implements list interface, random access interface, clonable interface, serializable interface. Why I am telling this question is, someone asked what ArrayList implements except list interface. That's not issue. Tell random access, clonable, serializable. Try to impress the interviewer first thing. If you do not impress the interviewer, try to confuse him. Okay, there are two options we have. Clear, right?
Yes.
ArrayList is a very important class. Everything is important in Java. Okay, just concentrate. Next point. ArrayList supports dynamic arrays that can grow as needed. ArrayList supports dynamic arrays that can grow as needed. Next point. ArrayList is a variable length array of object. Variable length array of object references. That means ArrayList can dynamically increase or decrease in size. ArrayLists are created with the initial size. ArrayLists are created with an initial size. When this size is exceeded, the collection is automatically enlarged. If you guys think I am going fast, please tell me, because if you really require, I'll go slowly, because collection framework is one of the very important concept in interview point of view as well as in Java. Okay, please don't miss one line also. ArrayLists are created with initial size. When this size is exceeded, the collection is automatically enlarged. Next point. when the objects are removed sorry, strike out that one. Please strike out. Another list class has, if you see here, other list class has, please write down. Other list class has 3 constructors. First constructor is the zero argument constructor, which builds an empty array list. It constructs an empty list with an initial capacity of 10. Next constructor is array list of collection. Array list of collection C, which builds an array list that is initialized with the collection of C. Builds an array list that is initialized with the elements of the collection C. Next constructor is, constructor number 3 is array list initial capacity of type int, which builds an array list. Very, very important concept. Please ask me anything if you are missing. Which builds an array list.
Can you repeat again this one?
Array list with initial capacity parameter, which builds an array list that has the specified initial capacity the capacity grows automatically or more elements are added to the array list. The array list class is not synchronized. The array list class is not synchronized. Next point. So there are 3 constructors available in array list class, right? So I explained all 3 constructors. In the point of view also you should explain the same thing. The array list class is synchronized, not synchronized, sorry. The array list class is not synchronized. To make array list as a synchronized format, we will discuss later. I will tell what is synchronization also. Please write on Sugana, synchronization. serialization, synchronization, clonable,
Okay.
right? Now we'll try to see how to use a array list object, how to create object for that. Collections framework. Create a class, a list demo, com dot ch dot list. What is the meaning of ch? What is the meaning of com? Anyone know? Okay, talk about later. Okay, I have a array list demo class here. Now, how to create a object of interface?
We cannot create object for the interface.
Okay, so what we can do?
We need to implement.
By using implementation class, I can create object, right?
Yes.
So array list class is implements interface, right? Interface list, right?
Yes.
So what is the, so by using list L equal to list equal to new array list I can create, right?
Yes.
So this is the collection package. Since it is not currently getting the it is not loading from the Java class or jar files, so it is I am going to import it. There are many available fixes available here. So first one is Java util package. If I click on imported, automatically it will import here. Okay. Now list is interface equal to new array list. By using list interface, I can create object for array list. Okay. Or else array list equal to new array list. Like this also I can create object. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
But this is the way, preferable way is this one. Please write down. This is the way preferable. Very important concept. This why is this preferable I will tell later. Okay. Now I'm going to comment this code. Now we'll talk about array list only. We're going to comment this one. Now by using array list is interface or class?
Class.
Yeah. Array list. Now I'll try to print the value of the size of, there are many methods in the interface classes. Okay, we'll talk about methods here. There are many methods, right? We'll see one method, one by one methods, okay? One methods we'll see. Array list dot size. What is size returns here? We have to see API. What the size will do?
Returns the number of elements in this list.
This same line will be there in the API also. If you see here, same thing came right there also.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So Eclipse also will follow internally API. Now we'll see size of the array list. Run the application. What is the size of the array list?
0.
Yes.
Now I want to add n number of data here. Array list dot. There is a method. How to access the methods in the class?
By creating
Create
an
a
object.
okay.
Yeah, go ahead. At least one person go ahead.
By creating an object.
Yeah. So we have created an object for the class, right? Existing class, right?
Yes.
Yes.
There are some predefined classes and interfaces available in the Java little package. I'm going to use of them. I'm going to use some collection of operations examples here. So here array list dot. If you see the methods here, there is a method called as object add method, which internally passes an object. Okay. What is the add method will do? Appends the specified element to the end of the list. Okay. Now by using array list dot add method, what happened? I'm going to add some object. It's like a string object. I'm going to access it. Okay. So CK. What is the meaning of CK?
Calvin Klein.
Who is this?
Suguna.
Okay, we'll talk about later on this. SU. What is the meaning of SU?
Suguna.
Let's start. Why my laptop is not suddenly not working? PA. What is PA?
Pavani.
Pavani. She is calling PA. Not good, right? How come PA means Pavani? Is it correct, Pavani?
Shortcut.
What is RO?
Rohit.
Oh, he himself decided finally RO stands for Rohit. But still Pawan is not accepting it. This is too not good. We have to go court and we have to finalize this one. Pawan? Is it right? Pani, are you available in the class?
Yes.
Yeah, Sukuna called you PA. Not good, right?
I think PA is a lot better than Sue.
Oh, good. That is good.
SU.
Okay. CK means what, Sugana?
Chaitanya. K means
Kelvin you told, right?
Calvin Klein actually. It's a brand name here.
Okay. This is also brand here, right?
Yeah. Our trainer name.
Not trainer. Friend, our friend name.
Java.
All as a friend. Now, I want to see the size of the list here again. Size before, size after. Don't worry for these warning messages. We'll talk about later. First, get the concept. I have one student. She don't know anything. She will ask cross questions like anything. Why you use this one? Why you use that one? Where do you use it in real time scenario? I told, please concentrate and first learn the concept. Automatically, it will help you to how to use, when to use. I started for her also same training, but still she is covering interfaces only. So like this happened. First concentrate on the concept first. On the application, what is size before?
0.
After?
Size after 5.
After 5.
5.
Okay. So what is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Right?
Yes.
Array first it take size starts with 0.
Yeah, that's what. 0, 1, 2, 3, total size is 0, right? 5, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now we'll try to print the only other list. What is there in there? I'm curious to see what is inside. What CK contains, what SU contains, what PA contains, what RO contains. This is not required. I'm going to comment this code because we already covered it, right? Right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Java application. What is inside this? Wow. What array list contains?
List. Array of names.
This contains objects, right? This is string object. This is string object.
Yeah.
This is string object. Now, I want to remove, I don't like Rohit because he is not added in the classes. There is a method Aralishir provided me. Hey, Chaitanya, please remove Rohit. That method is called as remove method. There are 3 methods are available. Remove index based by using index, by using object, by using all you can remove it. Index means, as we discussed in the arrays 0, 1, 2, 3. This 0th index, second is like this. Okay. Now I want to remove by using object. So I don't like as Rohit, Suguna and Pavani said, right? So I'm going to remove him right now, straight away. Now what will happen? What is my output?
CK, SU, PA, PI.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Rohit is not available in the class anymore. CK, SU, PA, PA. Now I don't like Pavani also because she will ask more questions. She won't tell answer, but she will ask more questions. I don't like her also. I want to remove her also. PA.
But you are removing P.
Yeah, I will remove him also next. CK, SU, PA. Yes, this is the best team for me. They won't ask any questions. They won't tell any answers also. Okay? Yeah, just kidding, don't worry. Okay, just fun. So by using remove method, you can remove any of the added objects from the array list, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The capacity of the array list object.
Can we compare these objects?
We'll see later, not now. Why you want to compare? How to compare? What is the meaning of compare?
If I want to see if there are any duplicates in the array or not, if I
We'll
want
see.
to compare
We'll see. The capacity of an array list object increases automatically as objects are stored in it. Very important concept, ma'am. Don't miss one line, one code also. If you not understand, please let me know. The capacity of an RLS object increases automatically as objects are stored in it. We can increase the next point. We can increase the capacity of an ArrayList object manually we can increase the capacity of an ArrayList object manually by calling ensure capacity method, which is available in ArrayList class. Ensure capacity method, very important. Next point. If you want to reduce the size of array that underlies an ArrayList object, there is a method trim to size method. How to increase the capacity of the ArrayList in Java? Answer the question, please.
Ensure capacity.
Method, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
How to decrease the capacity?
Trim to size method.
Please continuously tell me 2-3 times statement.
Sugra, go ahead.
Yes,
The
Pawan, you go
capacity
ahead.
of
Okay, go ahead. Anybody go ahead. Okay, at least someone.
I will go ahead.
Yeah.
The capacity of the ArrayList object increases automatically as the object are stored in it. We can increase the capacity of ArrayList object manually by calling ensure capacity method in the ArrayList class.
Okay.
If we want to reduce the size of the array that underline the size of the object, there is a method called trim to size.
Okay. Sometimes we may need to obtain actual array that contains the content of list from the other list. Sometimes we may need to obtain an actual array that contains the content of the list. We can achieve this by using a method called as toArray. There are two methods are there. One is zero argument and toArray method. One is on object parameter. Okay. First we'll talk about two-array method. What is the written type for the two-array method?
Array.
What is that?
Array.
What array?
Object.
Tell me.
Array of objects.
Object array. We may need to obtain an actual array that contains the content of the list. That scenario we should use a method called as two-array method. How to convert array list to array in Java? Interview question. How to convert array list to array in Java? How to convert array list to array? Now we have array list. How much? What is the data is here? Total. We removed R1 and PA, right? So only CK, SU, PA is there, right? Guys, respond.
Yes. Yes.
Now array list dot. What is the method I told to convert the array method?
To array.
What is written type for this?
Object of array.
Array. Object.
What is written type for this?
Object array.
Right? Clear, right?
Yes.
Now by using object array, I want to loop to this one by using for loop. Everybody know for loop? Piyush?
Yes.
Lohit?
Yes.
Yes.
So what is this one? String or integer variables? Integer objects. String, right? So
String.
string. Typecast. I'm going to comment other statement because we will get confused. Run the application. What is the output?
Size before 0, CK, SU, PI.
What output, right? We converted array list to array. This is the way we should convert. Write down this code. Answer of this question. How to convert array list to array in Java? Answer this one is this is the one. Write down these 4 lines of code. Quickly, fast, don't have time. Linked list class. What is this? Linked list class. This is linked list class, right? Please write down. Public class linked list. Public class linked list. It extends abstract sequential list. And implements list. Implement list, DQ, clonable, serializable. Next point. It provides linked list data structure. It has two constructors. Linked list with zero argument. First one, check this one. It builds an empty linked list. Next, take this one. It builds a linked list that is initialized with elements of collection C. It builds a linked list that is initialized with the elements of the collection C. So if you are extending a linked list class, if you are implementing linked list, it implements list, right? We'll get all the methods, right? Clear? We'll try to see a demo of linked list. How to create object for linked list? How to create object for linked list? How to create object for linked list? Linked list is a class.
Linked list is equals to new.
Linked list. Okay, I will use linked list to understand purpose. Equal to new linked list. But I can use anything here. Okay, don't think I am using only linked list. I can use CK, the brand also I can use it. Or CH, one more brand also I can use it. Okay. Now what CH refers here?
Chaitanya.
What CH refers here?
Character.
Okay, thank you. Okay. I never like my students. I never trust my students first. Okay. Let me quickly copy paste the code because I don't have time. So you know the concept. Change the concept. So linked list contains what?
Elements?
Objects.
Objects.
What
Object.
object it is?
String.
By using add method, I am getting all the objects, right? Now,
Yes.
I want to remove SU now because no, I want to remove Pavni again. First thing, she's telling my name is characters. Okay, remove method is there. Okay, before that, I want to see a Piyush asking why you are not removing me. Okay, first I want to remove Piyush first. Remove last one method is there. First we'll try to see what is the data contents. No need to see, all the methods are same. Size method, length method, everything is same. No need to see, madam. Okay. Just we need to see the differences, different method implementations here. That's it. Now run the application. CKSUPA ROPA, right? Now I want to remove last index by using a method called as remove last. Because I'll remove it. Now run the application. Wow, P is removed, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to remove CK also.
Remove first.
The remove method is there. Remove first. I'm going to comment this code because again it will remove one more method, more object. Remove first. Okay, now brand is gone now. Now I want to remove all.
Clear. Okay, remove.
It is the method return type. Removal method is nothing but it is a collection object, right? What is
Yes.
removal
Yes.
method is telling?
Collection.
Remove all method is collection, right? Collection means what?
Yes.
Remove all of these
Collection.
collections.
So collection object I can pass it as a linked list, right? Because linked list extends, linked list implements list interface. List interface internally extends collection interface, right? So I can pass as a sublist here. I can pass as a subclass here object. What happened? My keyboard is not working. My keyboard is not working. Yeah. Add first method. There is one more method called as add first. Add first. CK back again. Because this remove all, right? I'm going to remove this. I'm going to close this method. Now what is output?
CK. Here,
Everything data is there, right?
here everything, yeah, as
Yeah, I'm
per
going to add now one more called as CH. Came, right?
yes,
And also add last method is there again. Came, right? Yeah.
yes.
Please add down
Yes.
one method. Add first method, add last method, add get first, get last. I want to get the first value. One more thing here. 1 second. Get first.
First.
Get last. Though I'm not saying get last. Okay. Get in the last element. I'm telling. Don't
We are
go
not
on.
having that.
Don't go and complain on me saying that hey, sir, Venkat Chaitanya told get lost. I got some complaints on you guys. You were complaining on me. I don't know what wrong with you guys. I don't know. Okay, CH and Java. It's fine, right? Everything is fine, right?
Yes.
I don't want to give notes on these methods because you know the concept. You have to do your own, write the notes and send it to me. What remove last, what remove first, what remove all, what add first, add last, get first, get last. All 6 methods, 8 methods, 10 methods. We'll talk about set interfaces now. What is set interface?
Interface.
Set interface. Please read them. Public interface set extends collection. Public interface set extends collection. Collection is interface, right? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
I don't think this is not. I should sleep in the class, right? You guys are sleeping. I don't like that one. Other list is a class under the list object, and linked list is a one more class, right?
Yes.
List extends collection interface. Set extends collection interface. Set, there is one more class called as hash set. Linked hash set. The set interface contains no duplicates elements. We'll see list contains duplicates or not. Okay. Duplicates, and I'm going to give second P object here. Okay. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Means I have duplicate elements here. We'll see output of this output. CK, SU, PA, PA, ROPA, right? It is not displayed directly, right? But in list also we'll see one more. Okay? Run the application. I make it as all the methods. Now run the application. So it is not removed, right? That means list will allow duplicate elements. Write on that one.
Okay.
List will allow duplicate elements, whereas set won't allow duplicates. Okay. In hash set is a class. Hash set. Hash set extends abstract set. Hash set extends abstract set and implements set interface, clonable interface, serializable interface. Okay, we'll see how this set and how to declare the set methods. Okay. Set creates a collection hash set creates a collection that uses hash table internally, that uses hash table for storage. Next point. A hash table stores information by using a mechanism called as hashing. By using a mechanism called as hashing. In hashing, the informational content of a key the informational content of the key is used to determine a unique value called its hash code. The hash code is usually the index the hash code is usually the index at which the data associated with the key is stored. The advantage of the hashing is that it allows The execution time of the basic operations such as add, contains, remove and size method even for large sets. There are three constructors are defined for the hash set class. We'll talk about tomorrow's class.